Hello students of Standard 7th and welcome to DAVMAL Public School. Let's begin and virtual classes of Standard 7th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. And today in the lesson Operations on Rational Numbers, we are going to study how to divide rational numbers, that is division of rational numbers. Division. In the previous session, we have learnt about the reciprocal of a number, and today we are going to discuss about the division of rational numbers. Now let us revise what is the reciprocal of a number, because when we divide the two rational numbers, we need the reciprocal of a number. So it is important for us to understand first what is the reciprocal of a number. See my dear students, reciprocal of a rational number is a number which when multiplied by the given number gives the result as 1. See here some examples are given. When we multiply 3 by 5 by 5 by 3, so 5 gets cancelled and 3 gets cancelled. The result is 1. So when we multiply two numbers and its result is 1, means we can say both numbers are actually the reciprocal of each other. So here you can say 5 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3 by 5, or you can say 3 by 5 is the reciprocal of 5 by 3. It is nothing but the same. If you take the 1 by 7, its reciprocal is 7 by 1. Means if you observe here, while taking the reciprocal, we have to change the places of the number, means numerator changes to denominator and denominator changes to numerator. See here the third example. Reciprocal of 5 by 6 is, yes, change the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. So the reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. Reciprocal of 45, as you all are aware, 45 is nothing but the number 45 upon 1. So its reciprocal is 1 upon 45. So this is all about the reciprocal. Now this reciprocal we are using to divide the rational numbers. Now see here the division of a rational number. Now division of a rational number means dividing one rational number by another except by 0, means we don't have to divide any rational number by the 0, is same as the multiplication of the first by the reciprocal of the second. Means you have already studied the multiplication of the rational numbers. The division is also same, but the change is that we have to take the reciprocal of the second number. See the example here. We have to divide 7 by 3 by 5 by 3. So the second number is what? Second number is 5 by 3. So what we have to do? We will first write it as 7 upon 3 divided by 5 by 3. Now we take the reciprocal of 5 by 3, which is the second number. So 5 by 3, its reciprocal is 3 by 5, and we will denote the reciprocal. Instead of reading it, we can write and show it is a reciprocal. So in the bracket put the power as -1. It means reciprocal of 5 by 3. So what is the reciprocal of 5 by 3? Its reciprocal is 3 by 5. So 7 by 3 multiply by, see here the division changes into the multiplication while we are changing the number into the reciprocal. So in this way we have to multiply both the numbers after taking the reciprocal of the second one. Therefore 7 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 5 equals to 3 gets cancelled. So the answer is 7 by 5. It is very easy. It is same as the multiplication, but only you have to remember it that we have to take the reciprocal of the second number and division sign into multiplication. See here one more example. 2 by 9 is divided by -4. So 2 by 9 sign is division and -4. Now we have to take the reciprocal of -4. So 2 by 9 multiplied by reciprocal of minus 4 means in the bracket minus 4 its power is minus 1. So its reciprocal is 1 upon minus 4. Again solve it. As 2 gets cancelled with the 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is answer is minus 1 upon 18. It is in the standard form because we have calculated and divide 2 and 4. So in this way, while dividing the two rational number, again I am repeating, while dividing the two rational number, second number you have to take the reciprocal, and reciprocal means only you have to change the position of the numbers. Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator, not the change in the sign. Sign never changes. If it is a negative, it is negative, and if it is positive, it is positive only. See here one more, which is word problem. The product of the two rational number is minus 25 upon 16. If one of the number is minus 5 by 4, find the other. So here the product of the two rational number is given and one number is given. You have to find out the second number. So we will write it as product of the two number is minus 25 by 16. One number is minus 5 by 4, and therefore we can write it as minus 5 by 4 multiplied by other number which we have to find out equals to minus 25 upon 16. So other number we will get when we divide minus 25 by 16 with minus 5 by 4. Now see here the division sign is there, and how you will convert that division sign into multiplication? By taking the reciprocal of the second number. So minus 25 upon 16 multiplied by 4 upon minus 5. See here, number changes the place but the sign is as it is. Now if you will see, 16 and 4 gets cancelled, 25 and 5 gets cancelled, and negative sign is also get cancelled. So cancel it. So your answer is 5 by 4. So write 5 by 4 is the other number. In this way, in the simple way you have to divide. You can divide the two rational numbers. So here is a small assignment for you. So today we have learnt about the division of the rational number, which is same as the multiplication, only change while changing the sign we have to take the reciprocal of the second number. So I hope you might have clear ideas and better understanding of the topic because I explain all the points in details, and here is an assignment for you because this assignment only help you to check your understanding of the topic, and I hope you would try it honestly to solve the assignment. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.